We'll guide you through how to delete a Facebook account. You can follow this on both an iPhone or an Android. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, head to your Facebook menu. To do that, click on your profile icon with the three lines. On an iPhone, this is in the bottom right corner, while on Android, it's in the top right. In the menu, scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy by clicking on it, then click on Settings. Next, click on Account Center, scroll down to Account Settings and select Personal Details. At the bottom, click on Account Ownership and Control. Here, you'll see the option for a deactivation or deletion. Click there, then choose the account you want to delete. You can choose Deactivate, which is temporary, or Delete, which is permanent. Choose Delete and press Continue. You will need to provide a reason for deleting your account. This is optional, and Facebook may try to resolve your issue. After this, review the list of things to consider, such as downloading your Facebook information. Once done, press Continue. Finally, enter your password and you'll be on the confirmation page. You have 30 days to reactivate your account if you change your mind. If you're sure, press Delete Account, and that's it.